Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to hotkey in Skyrim on the console. So basically how to equip a spell or a sword or shield, whatever, without having to open up the menu every single time. And something to keep in mind is that you can only do this with 2 items max, so 1 and 2 basically, like ice bite, whatever, 1 and 2. And in order to do it, so let's just say I want healing to be my number 2. I'm gonna click, I know it's kind of dark, but I'm gonna click on the right D-pad, and then as you can see it just turned to 2, and then Fury is gonna be 1, so it's gonna be the left D-pad. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. So that's how you set the hotkey. So in order to actually equip it, you just do the same thing. So just I will click 2 times on the right to equip healing, and then 2 times on the left to do that. So yeah, that's basically how you can have hotkeys in Skyrim without opening the thing. And on PC it's much you have the whole numbered keyboard, so you have up to 9, but on console for some reason you only have 2, so that's unfortunate. So yeah, but that is technically still better than nothing. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.